So I'm going out with my buddy Christian. He's a really good driver, so I told him he could drive my car for this one. And here we go. This is fun. Oh, so you let off a little here? Or, no, sorry. I don't want to distract you. Sorry. Never mind. I know. How's it feel?
Boaty, but fast.
Yeah. Yep.
It definitely
could use like some coilovers.
Yeah, it's sway bars.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a stupid Mustang.
I was keeping up with him until he peeled off. I don't know why he left for some reason. He left early.
You just let me know when you want me to go back in.
No, this is fun. I mean, if you're having fun.
Oh yeah, this is a blast, man. Your tires are getting warmed up.
Think he'll pass us by on the straight?
I think so.
Does he know you're driving?
I don't know.
I think we're matched for power, maybe?
He's not very fast. What's this, man?
Oh, there we go. Oh, there's Ezra and his Miata.
We'll pass him real quick.
Yeah. That squeaking noise, do you have any idea what that could be?
It kind of sounds like maybe something on your brakes.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. Like a rock is in there or something?
Maybe. Okay, one more lap.
Huh?
I said one more lap and that's good.
Alright. You're gonna go out after this?
What?
You're gonna go out after this? Or?
Probably the next advance session. Yeah.
Okay. Are the sessions 15 or 20 minutes?
I think they're 15.
Okay.
Can't let a golf beat us.
Huh?
I said we can't let a golf beat us.
I know. Well, in my last session, I beat him.
Okay, good.
I passed him, yeah. There we go. Yeah, we're passing everybody.
Down lap after this. Finish our lap time so we can get. I don't think this one's that good.
Oh! Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. We got a 127.
Yeah. You beat mine by a whole second. So now,
It's fun. It's huge, but it's fun.
what?
This car is huge. It feels huge.
It feels heavy,
but
yeah.
it's fun, dude. Can't let it think
Oh, is this the last lap?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So if I was to invest in something like,
It
you know,
needs less sway. So like
So a
coilovers
sway
and
bar.
sway bars.
Sway bars.
Great.
Yeah, sway bars wouldn't be too expensive to install.
Yeah, that would probably be pretty.
That'd be pretty effective. Just
Yeah.
thicker sway bars.
I was gonna go slow this lap, but Ezra's behind me. I can't ruin his lap time.
Wait, will he even get a lap time since we're going out after this one?
No, we won't. But I didn't want to ruin his lap time.
Oh, okay.
I was like, let me move up here.
Oh, I see.
So I'm going like 60%. Oh, it's one. It's almost like it's just when it's regen braking.
Yeah. So I don't know. I'll have to.
Dang, bro. That took a lot of battery.
Yeah. We started at like 56, I think so, yeah. Well, I'm gonna go plug it in.
Thanks, dude. This is fun.
Yeah.
I like this.
Cool. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. You know, riding along in my car for the first time.
Yeah, for a basically stock Model 3.
Yeah. Cool. And nothing got hot.
Nope. Nice and yellow. Where do you park? Or where
Oh, well, you can get out for, you know, I'm not gonna make you walk all the way from the charger. You can just stop
Where
here.
is it?
Right down there. It's not that far, but
You want me to stop here or go down there?
yeah, you can stop here, and then I'll just go plug it in. There's the G's you pull. You pulled up
What
to
do
a
we do?
1.4.
1.4. Let's go.
Hey, and now the tire pressures are all even, so my letting out the air on the left side worked.
Perfect. We're on a
Cool.
slow one right now.
Oh,
All
yeah,
right.
stop that.
Well, thanks, man. That was fun.
Yeah, that was fun.